You know, just down the jacket a bit with the tee underneath. It kind of work. I hope it doesn't fit, then I wouldn't have to keep it. Hello, I'm Muttonstyle, and today I have got a Stitch Fix unboxing for you in the UK. If you want to know how Stitch Fix works, it'll be in a video up here. And I'm just going to go straight into unboxing this and a try on as well. So keep watching. So I have opened my box. Let's see what's inside. It's actually quite heavy. Do you know what? I think there's some shoes in it this time. It's exciting. So then I have my letter from my stylist, and she says that, hey Anne-Marie, my name is Farah. Unfortunately, Anna, and it was Anna I'd asked for this time, is currently on holiday, so she wasn't able to style you today. I hope you love what I have selected for you, but feel free to let me know in your feedback. As I noticed you've been loving the stripes, I couldn't resist starting by sending you over the Mova Basic Tee. You can never have enough of these over the winter. They really work well tucked into jeans. To complete the look, try throwing the mango dark green cardigan over the top and then finishing with the tan ankle boots. What Farah has sent is tan ankle boots, a Annalise single-breasted tailor blazer by Editor's Cut, warehouse floral blouse, looks very pretty, and the basic tee she was talking about, Rover long sleeve basic tee, and a Montiel cardigan from Mango. So let's have a look at the wrap. So let's get going. This is the wrap. Some greens and burgundies in there, some brownie patterns as well. This looks exciting, doesn't it? It looks exciting. The danger of this fix is I'll keep them all, because look at this. First of all, a burgundy jacket. I do not have a burgundy jacket in my life. I do not, and I want one. That would be great for work and for casual. I hope it doesn't fit, then I wouldn't have to keep it. Anyway, rather liking that. And that's by Editor's Cut. What else can I tell you? I'll put the price underneath anyway. So I'm looking forward to trying that one on. This is a nice jacket. This will do really well for work actually, because you don't have much in this colour. It's a nice colour for the office, and it will go beautifully with black trousers and with weekends going out and so on, and also with jeans. So I think this is an investment piece jacket, and it fits me across the shoulders. Yeah, so quite liking this. There's a long sleeve top, sort of quite an unusual coloured Breton actually. White neck here, quite light colour. It's nice, isn't it? And that's by a brand called Mova, made in Turkey. Mova. The labels never come with prices. The price is on the price list, which I haven't looked at yet, so I'll put the price underneath. That looks interesting, and I've not heard of the brand. That would go well with the burgundy jacket, which is probably what she was thinking. So we'll give that a go. And let's try it with the burgundy jacket as well. This is the stripy top. I'll just try it tucked in. So there you are with a front tuck. I mean, that changes it. It does change it, definitely. I think the thing about this is it's a bit ordinary. And I'm not sure I want to spend the sort of price on something that I'm not going to wear out. I'm just going to wear out shopping and that kind of thing. But we'll see. Let's look at the price again. There is a green sweater. Cardigan. It's a cardigan. That's a nice colour green cardigan. A sort of forest green this is. It's got a fluffy feeling. It's nice and soft, lovely and soft. And it's by Mango. Dark green cardigan by Mango. I've actually got a cardigan this colour by Mango. That is thinner. This is cosy. It's forest green. Forest green. I wouldn't wear that one necessarily for work, so it'd be too thick in the office. I've got one that colour for the office, but for casual wear, that's a nice cardigan. Right, this is the cardigan. Definitely too big. That's good. It's not a 5 out of 5. Definitely too big. Look, huge cardigan on me. Huge. That's a relief. You see my smile, I don't have to keep everything. I'd be so tempted to keep everything. That's a problem. All the colours were so nice, but you know, this one is too big. I'd be guilt-ridden if I kept everything. I'd be guilt-ridden. But it is a very, very tempting box this time. But no, this does not fit. This is too big. Lovely colour though. But I am glad I have got a mango cardigan in this colour anyway. So, but yeah, this is definitely a return, this cardigan. Lovely. It's lovely and soft, you know, in a smaller size. It's been lovely and soft and so on. I'm not going to ask for a smaller size because I have got, as I said, I have got one. That is more streamlined and more fitted for my size. So this thickness cardigan is just not for me. It's too big and bulky for my frame. There's a lovely blouse. That is my colouring. Look at this blouse. Floral. It's black with sort of ivory and orangey flowers on it. So pretty, very pretty blouse that is, and that is by Warehouse. So this is in Warehouse at the moment, I would imagine, but very pretty blouse. This is the blouse, and do you know, it's it fits really well. I think it's a very, very good colour on me. Quite like the neckline, you know. It will go with some cardigans I've got. I've got a tan cardigan. It will go with a neutral cardigan. I would say if you're thinking of going along to Warehouse and having a look for this blouse in the shop, the button at the neck is tough. The elastic that goes around the button, because not buttonhole, it's elastic. It's quite tough to do up. Actually, I've just undone it again. So it might be the sort of blouse you actually need help doing up. But the colours are beautiful, aren't they? I love the colours on this. That's my necklace. It doesn't come with it. Yeah, the colours are beautiful. I think it's sort of an investment piece blouse. Yeah, definitely an investment piece blouse, isn't it? This one. It's not going to date. It's too classic in shape. And the last item in my box, and the box was heavy, so I can understand why now. Shoes. The first time they sent me shoes. But actually, strictly speaking, it's boots. Oh, aren't they nice? They're like a bit like my, and they've got a zip. Now, so they're suede, they're brown suede. They've got a zip. They're by, it's leather. So it's, you know, animal leather. Can't see the brand at the moment, but aren't they pretty? Nice heel for me. I hope they fit. I hope they're a decent price. They are a good fit. And do you know what? Actually, they're padded at the bottom, so they're quite cushioned at the bottom. They're a bit of a struggle to get on, but then I've got socks on at the moment. You know, woolen socks, bamboo socks. But they're a nice, and being suede, they are gonna, so real leather, they're going to stretch. Now, I am going to keep these. So then pricing and what I'm going to keep and so on. I have decided I am keeping all of it apart from the cardigan. The cardigan was too big. Definitely too big. Too thick, too bulky on me. I love the colour. I have got a mango cardigan in that colour. Even if I didn't though, I wouldn't keep that one. That bulk was not right for my frame. The Mova Striped Tee, I was in two minds about, but once I tucked it in, I liked it, and I thought that actually I will get quite a lot of use out of it. And it's not as if it's £40. It's not. It's £28. I think because it's so basic, I will get £28 worth of wear out of it. And it is quite an unusual shape, and it had drop sleeves as well. It's got nice features on it. So, yeah, you know, I will get that wear out of it. The ankle boots, so comfortable, need a bit of stretch. Suede, I'm comfortable. If they were man-made fibre, and I know that this might upset some people, I'm happy with leather. If they're man-made, I don't feel comfortable that they would stretch enough for me. suede will, and so I think I will get years of use out of them, because I did with the last pair of suede ankle boots. The breasted tailor jacket, I will get dual use out of it. Yes, as far as says, I will get lots of use out of that jacket over Christmas. It will double up for a work jacket, and it will be okay for a smart event I'm going to outside work. So I think that is a keep. And the warehouse floral blouse, the colours of it are just so me, and because of the neckline, it's not showing décolleté and so on, it's a classic shape. I think that's something I will continue to wear as I get older as well, so that's not going to age, and it's going to be practical as I might even wear it when I'm 70, you never know. So that's an investment piece. So I think the boots, the t-shirt, the blouse are all investment pieces, and I will get multi years use out of. I think the jacket I will get lots of use out of, because it's got multi-purposes. So that's my rationale for keeping 4 of those 5 items. So thank you, Farah, and I've enjoyed this fix. I'll put my link down below for you so you can get a discount in the UK, and thank you for watching.